Hello, this is Scott Wonder here from Wonderwoods with your quick tip of the day. I was working on this beam. It's a hollow beam, and it's going to have a surface texture that I make with this adze.
Carpenter's adze, a heavy adze, often with very steep curves.
In this video, you will learn how to use a mallet. The mallet is a hammering tool made with a striking face that is usually made of wood.
Carpentry is a skilled trade and a craft in which the primary work performed is the cutting, shaping.
Carpenters learn how to incorporate rafters, partitions, joints, and studs to make strong frameworks. And they also learn how to install internal components of a building, like insulation and drywall.